Our unplanned laag begins. Unsa ganito, basta laag na dili planado, madayon jud sigurado. Hahaha, naabot jud mi og mati wala gialang-alang, kay napakyas man sa mong kayo, magmati taoy nanuman dayo udto na. We are now here sa Tambayan Lawigan Beach Resort. 3 o'clock na minaabot mga lalay, so we decided mag-overnight na lang mi. Pina-abrupt na po na plano, may gani Girl Scout mi na jay dalatag duha ka extra nga sanina. Let's have a quick tour sa mga rooms where we spent the night. Kani nga mga rooms, 3,000 ni siya good for 5 packs. If dili ka siya sa bed, pwede ra ka makarent og beddings. As we stepped into our room, we were greeted by a spacious and elegantly designed interior. Mapawaw jud ka sa kanindot mga lalay. The king-sized bed was the epitome of comfort that felt like sleeping on a cloud. This will be a perfect retreat after some long beach activities. The bathroom was equally impressive. Spotlessly clean with modern fixtures, we appreciated the attention to detail. This room has refrigerator, television and closet where you can put all your things. But what truly amazed us was the ceiling. It transformed into a starry sky with colorful lights forming twinkling stars and a glowing moon. It felt like sleeping under the cosmos, adding a magical touch to our stay.
Starry, starry night.
Mirror, mirror on the door, who is the fairest of them all? Da, kuyawag atake ni lalay, oy. Let's dive into their parking rooms. Pwede mag-park inyong car sa gawas ani nga mga rooms, so accessible ra kaayo. Mao ni siya ang tag 1,500 good for 2 packs. If naay baby kuyog, pwede ra mag-extra beddings. Air-conditioned pud ang room and naapoy cabinet for your things. Next, cutie room nga same kadako sa 10 pero air-conditioned gihapon. For only 1,000 pesos, good for 2 packs. Nice pud baya kaso tulo mong good mi appeal si Isox, puros pa jud mga dagko buyag. These are the cottages nga 1,500 for day tour and 2,000 for overnight. Naay big cottage with karaoke, 3,000 for day tour and 3,500 for overnight. No entrance fee, no corkages sa food and drinks mga lalay. Pwede pud mag-camping tent. If you bring your own, just pay 150 pesos. If mag-rent mo og tent sa resort, 300 pesos pud ang bayad. For more infos, visit lang tayo silang FB page Tambayan sa Lawigan Beach Resort kay basin na ako'y wala na mention ng mga amenities nila. And this is the afternoon beach view. Grabe ka-relaxing ang atmosphere. The sound of the waves, the salty breeze, the golden hues of the sun, it was like nature's own therapy session. Watching the waves, I realized how constant and calming they are. Murag kinabuhi, na ups and downs, pero padayon lang gihapon. And these two people made my view into perfection. Salamat sa akong mga anak, Lord, na naghatag og reason ako nga magpadayon sa kinabuhi. For our dinner, nagpaluto lang mi diri og pork sinigang, kinilaw, bihon ug rice. Ikaw magbuot unsa imong ipaluto basta available lang sa baligya sa tindahan like isda, karne ug uban pa. Kani among ipaluto 1,500 amo ang nabayaran. O di ba sulit kaayo? After dinner, proceed na mi sa among water activities. Nag-rent mi og water bike 400 pesos per hour. Kayak nga 300 pesos per hour. Mauni most requested ni Isox, lipay kaayo siya magkayak. Enjoy kayo ang all bisan ngit-ngit na dili jud gusto inigugma na lang mag-rent. Naapo day trampoline kaso wala na jud mi ka rent kay nagdali na og uli the next day. After sa water activities, wala pa jud sila planong mga tulog. Sa mga gusto magdula og billiard, naay billiard hall ibabaw aning comfort room nga building. Sumuagi ta aning stairs pasaka padulong sa billiard hall. Good morning mga lalay. This is our second day here sa Tambayan. Sayo ko nakatulog gabi kay medyo gikapoy sa biyahe og salom-salom. Wala na ko ni gawas og room para makita ang taob na dagat kay ni ulan pod last night. So karon sugaton ta sa lami ang ambience sa mga lights sa cottages nila. Time check, it's still 5 a.m. pero hayag na kaayo ang palibot. This morning has been a reminder of how beautiful nature is. Simple moments like watching the sunrise and feeling the sun between your toes can bring so much joy. This trip was more than just an escape. It was a journey of appreciation. for nature, for life, and for the people we share it with. Thank you for joining me in this experience. If you're looking for a getaway that combines luxury with natural beauty, this is the place to be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time mga lalay, keep exploring and cherishing every moment.
All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. I've been watching, but the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching, but I just don't see the signs. I know that it's out there. There's gotta be something for my soul somewhere. I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me